Say hi.
Hi.
What are we doing today?
Making Boss Baby now.
Boss baby?
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's pick the Boss Baby. Pick the Boss Baby.
Pizza boss baby?
Yeah, my favorite.
Okay, his favorite. Ryan's making a pizza. Your mom's making a boss baby.
You mean like his hair and the body?
No, just the head.
I'm making baby.
Hey, how about you make a Moana? You make Moana and then mommy makes boss baby.
Maui.
What did I say, Maui?
Yeah. No, you make Moana.
Most a pro.
That's an eyeball smell.
Yeah, those are the eyeballs.
I'm making big eyeball. Moana. Yeah.
Who's
I can make the nose and the eyeball. That's what Moana.
She has big eyes.
A kiwi from the mouth.
What's her eye? Her nose?
That's what's here. Little pig head. I'm making a Play-Doh. Now, Play-Doh.
Yeah, push him in more. There you go.
The nose.
Use that thing to pick it up. Look, that yellow, that tool right there. The yellow one. There you go. And it's, there you go.
I know.
Yeah! Moana licking fly. What about the hair? Yeah. Who's that?
Moana, I can make Maui now.
You make Maui now?
Can you give me Maui, Mom?
What happened? What?
I don't know what I'm doing with his hair.
It looks good.
No.
It's better than that tutorial we saw.
Wait, guys, no.
Dude, he has no hair now.
Okay, he's a baby.
No. Hold on, I'm trying to add the little ears.
Yeah.
Oh no. There's no ears.
I know.
Put Put your Moana next to. No. Leave it there.
There, leave it there.
Oh yeah, that's.
Oh, the other.
Chicken looking.
Bye, TikTok, please subscribe. Bye, TikTok, please subscribe.